Before starting prime factorization, we should understand what is index or power notation. When you multiply any number by itself, right, how many ever time you can write the same expression as what is the number which is being multiplied? 2. And how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Fine. This is known as power notation or index notation. When you express something like this, in this form, it is power notation or index notation. Now this is 2 which is being multiplied by itself. So 2 is known as the base and this is known as the power or exponent or even known as index. Yes, so this is your power notation. Now what is factorization? You know what is factorization, we have learned. Suppose I write 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 or 1 into 6. This is known as you are factorizing it. Fine, you are writing 6 as multiple of 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, any numbers. That is known as you are factorizing it. Fine. So expressing a number as a multiple or product of 2, 3, 4, 5 n numbers is your factorization, not the term prime factorization. First we understand what is prime factorization. When I will, with the name only it is clear. What does this name represent? Prime. Prime numbers, you know. When you factorize any number using prime numbers, then that is known as prime factorization. Here I have factorized it into two ways. 2 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 6. Which is the prime numbers? 2 and 3. Is 1 and 6 prime? No. So this is not a prime factorization. It is a factorization but not a prime factorization. 2 multiplied by 3 is a prime factorization. Now let's take another example, say 36, right? First I'll simply write 6 into 6 is 36. But 6 is not a prime number. This 6 is also not a prime number. The other way is 12 3s are 36. This is prime but this is not prime. Can I further, now let's take this 6 multiplied by 6 first. Can I put it into prime numbers? Yes, I can. I can write 6 as 2 multiplied by 3 and this 6 as 2 multiplied by 3. Right? How many times 2 are there? 2 times. So I can write it 2 raised to the power 2. Just now I told you index notation multiplied by 3 square. Right? This also I can express as prime factorization. How will this be written as? This can be written as 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into 3. 4 can be further written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 square into 3 square. The final answer will be same because you are doing, you're breaking this. You're further putting it in a more simplified form which is in the prime numbers form. So obviously the end result will be same. Fine. This is known as prime factorization. You are factorizing a number in terms of prime numbers. Right. If you do not know prime numbers, simply you cannot write straight away, you cannot write this. Then what you will do? You will do 6 multiplied by 6. Further write 6 as 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 and get this. Right. Now there are two ways of prime factorization which we will learn. One is your factor tree. The other is division method. First I'll teach you factor tree. You might have learned earlier also factor tree like 36. What I taught you right now, that this is just a form of factor tree. I haven't represented it in the tree form but the concept is same. Look here. 36 I can write at 6 multiplied by 6. I'll keep on factorizing till the end, till the time I get a prime number. So 2 into 3, right? And this also 2 into 3. So these are your prime numbers. They cannot be further. Why to factorize it further? I can't factorize it further because they have just two factors, that is 1 and 2. 1 we do not write. So 36 can be written as this way. So when you represent it in this form, first you write 6 multiplied by 6, then you further factorize it in prime numbers. This is known as factor tree. Fine? Because either you can even do it 36 into 12 into 3. 3 is a prime number, no need to factorize it further. This can be 4 3s are, 3 is a prime number, no need to factorize. 2 into 2. So this is again prime numbers. So this can again be represented as 2 ka square and 3 ka square. The final, either do it this way or this way. Both are right. Fine, this is your factor